Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders, and this is the 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing for day number 22. You know, I had fully intended to create projects with each group of 7 products. So once a week have a longer video with projects featuring the things that we've created or I've created with these Advent Calendar products, but I just plain ran out of time. I always seem to think that I can squeeze more projects in than I actually can. Here is our product for day 22. This is our third set of sequins. This is a lovely brown, kind of like a hot cocoa color with an opalescence. That is going to be really fun for a lot of shakers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.